Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair dropped 0.7% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin gain 0.3% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Global growth could plunge to 2009 levels next year when adjusted for base effects, as the war between Russia and Ukraine continues to weigh on the world economy, according to the Institute of International Finance. Global growth could slow to just 1.2% in 2023. A class action lawsuit filed with the US Bankruptcy Court for the District of Delaware accuses former FTX executives of intentionally misappropriating customers' funds to fund risky strategies and a lavish lifestyle in the Bahamas, in direct violation of FTX's own customer agreements and terms of service. The Australian dollar struggled in 2022 due to the Federal Reserve's rate hikes, China's COVID lockdowns, and lower commodity prices and global equity markets. In 2023, these factors will continue to impact the currency.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Purchasing Managers Index will be released at 14:45 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1800 hours GMT. The Dutch retail sales at 0530 GMT. Spain's Consumer Price Index will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.